Hi Golden Teal, it is Miss Eddington here, and we have a really exciting week ahead of us because we are going to start exploring 3D shapes. 3D shapes are different than 2D shapes because 3D shapes are also known as solid shapes. They're not flat shapes like 2D shapes. Let me show you a 3D shape. Alright, here's a 3D shape. We'll get to the name of it in a little bit, but I want to talk to you about the different parts of a 3D shape before I start introducing the different kinds of 3D shapes. The first word you should know is face. This is the face of a 3D shape. This is the surface of your shape. So it might be a flat face like this, or sometimes you might see a curved face. But either way, the face is the surface of the shape. Alright, that blue line there is the edge. That is where two or more faces meet. So that edge right there is where this face is meeting and this face is meeting. So that is called an edge. Go ahead and say edge. Alright, now we're familiar with vertices from when we were learning about 2D shapes. Vertices are where 3 or more edges are meeting. Okay, so there you see those 3 edges are meeting to make a vertice. Remember that vertice is just like a sharp corner. Alright, so see there's that edge meeting, and that edge meeting to make that vertice. Alright, now to the name of this shape. This shape is called a cube. It has 8 vertices. Go ahead and see if you could find some of those vertices. Awesome. It has 12 edges. Go and see if you can find an edge. Nice. Now let's go ahead and find a face. There are 6 faces on a cube. So just go ahead and kind of put your finger on your screen and kind of color over one of the edges. Nice job. That's a cube. And cubes look like a dice, a cube of sugar, a block that you might play with, a box, or a tissue box. Those are all cubes. Alright, here is a cone. Cone has 1 vertice. See that pointy part up at the top? It has 1 edge. Everybody point to that black line on your cone. Good, that is the edge. That is where the curved face on top that makes the top of the cone meets the bottom face, that kind of flat oval looking part. Alright. Cones look like an ice cream cone, maybe a witch's hat you see on Halloween, a traffic cone, the top of a pine tree, or the top of a party hat. Alright, this is a sphere. It has 0 vertices, 0 edges, and only 1 face, 1 big curved face that makes up the whole sphere. Go ahead and say sphere. Spheres look like our Earth, a lollipop, an ornament, or a ball. Alright, here is a cylinder. Cylinders have 0 vertices because there's no corners where those faces are meeting, or where those edges are meeting. There are 2 edges, and 1 on top, and then 1 on the bottom, and 3 faces. Right now you can only see 2 faces because the 3rd face is covered because it's down at the bottom. And a cylinder looks like a battery, a log, a can of soda, or a candle. Alright, here is a pyramid. Now pyramids can look really different, okay? This is just one type of pyramid. So sometimes it might have a different amount of vertices, edges, and faces, just depending on the pyramid. This one kind of looks like a triangle. It has 4 vertices. See if you can find a vertice. Nice job. Now see if you could find an edge. It has 6 edges. Good. It has 4 faces. See if you could find one of those faces. Nice job. And it looks like a tent, or sorry, a teepee, or a pyramid. Here is a rectangular prism. Rectangular prisms have 8 vertices. Go ahead and see if you could find a vertice. 12 edges. Find an edge. And 6 faces. Go ahead and find one of those 6 faces. Nice job. It looks like a stick of butter or a brick. Now this is the last one we're going to talk about. This is a triangular prism. It has 6 vertices, 9 edges, and 5 faces. And it kind of looks like a tent. Alright, Golden Teal, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning some 3D shapes, and I can't wait to keep practicing. Bye!